Okay, so this is week 1 Sunday for quarter 2 math 7. This is for a study for exam 1 in quarter 2. This is on parallel lines and transversals. We're going to go over 2 different examples. Okay. Two angles are corresponding angles when they have corresponding positions. So this is all labeled for you. Do you see how the green one, these 2 angles are equal? You want to put congruent on there on that paper, which means they're equal. So the green angles are equal. The orange angles, do you see these angles right here? Those angles are equal, but I think the arrows kind of help you out, right? So let's take a look at this example. Do you see how this angle and this angle right there? These are corresponding angles, right? And they are what? They're what? They're congruent. So I set them equal to each other. So 2x minus 3 equals 65. Solve for x.
Oh, okay. Oh, I remember some guy's playlist.
Yeah. Did your teacher teach you how to do this?
No,
Okay, well, that's why you're learning from somebody else.
these kids are really crap.
In his class?
Just annoying and they don't pay attention.
Yeah, that happens.
They talk like him too.
Okay, so x equals 38. That's not your answer. Do you understand?
Yeah.
This angle is 65. So do we know what this angle is going to be, though? Yeah, these 2 are equal angles. So this is 65. This is also going to be 65 degrees. Do you see that?
Oh, okay.
So let's plug it in. 2 times 38 minus 3. We're just checking, right? That's 2 times 38. Oh, I'm sorry, it's not 38, it's 34. Did you get 34?
46.
What?
I'm writing some pen.
It should be 36. 68 divided by 2. It's fine, just grab a pencil.
Okay, I have to put this down now.
Okay, good. Now when you plug it in, so this is a plug in.
68. Something. Ready now.
That's it. So what's 68 minus 3? Is that 65? Is it the same?
Yes.
So that's how you check, okay? Now, the next angle is if 2 parallels are cut by a transversal, the consecutive interior. This one is important for you to know. I'm sorry, the alternative interior. So you know that the 2 parallel lines are these 2 red lines. Do you see that?
Yeah.
The transversal, those are parallel lines. The transversal cuts through it, right? Do you see how the alternate interior angles are on the inside? This is the inside.
Yeah.
Therefore, it's called interior, right? In, this is in. Do you see that? Right here is out, and right here is out. Out or exterior. Okay, so you know where the interior and exterior are.
Oh, okay.
Alternate means on opposite side. Do you see the orange arrows are pointing on opposite sides? Then don't use it.
Yes, I see that.
Good.
Okay. Okay. I'm ready to move on.
Okay, so take a look at these two blue angles I'm highlighting right there. What kind of angles are they? What are they called? This angle right here and this angle right here. Alternate interior angles, right? You see the little alternate interior angles? Alternate interior angles, right? I don't care. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are equal to each other. So what are you gonna do with those two angles? You're freaking burnt at this point. It's fine. Just write it down. Let's go. Solve. It's right there.
What if I do if I get confused with this because I went on the incorrect spot?
Draw an arrow. I don't know what to tell you. I'm not putting out another one. So should have not written with pen. Should have written with pencil.
I did.
Okay, well then you should go and redo that one when we're done. Okay then, that's your choice.
Too much.
Yeah, I know how you always work.
I'm sorry. That's a joke.
I'm laughing on the inside.
Okay.
Okay, now solve it. What do you have? Watch your words, please.
I can't. I can't. Six.
Good. 46.6. Okay,
Oh.
so one more. All right, let's go over this one. Do you see how these two angles are obviously not equal to each other? This right here is obtuse, right? And this one is acute.
And we're going over only 4.
We're only gonna go one more. That's just three. One more. These are alternate exterior angles. You know they're equal, so you just solve it. Do you see these two angles? These are not equal. This one is congruent. Make sure you put congruent on this one. This one's supplementary means it adds up to 180 degrees. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Consecutive means next to. Next to angles. Next to inside angles. Do you see how those angles are next to and they're inside? So I'm gonna do 3x plus 4 plus 2x minus 9 equals 180 degrees. You gotta combine your like terms and solve.
Thirty. 37.
Yeah, good. Now plug it in. Wow, you're so lazy.
No, I just want an iPad.
Oh, I'm sure you do. iPad for kids who does well in school.
Not necessarily.
Well, those parents just spoil them, and you're not gonna get spoiled.
But I think science would be hard.
I do think you're working hard, but then at the same time, you gotta think about the fact that, as you're becoming a seventh grader, you should work harder and harder and harder each time. Each year.
I can't find anything to 65.
Good. And when you add those two together, does it equal 180?
Yes. Yes, it does.
Okay.
What do I do now? Am I free to go? Am I free to go? Mom? Mom!
Yes, hold on.
Okay,
Yeah, we're done.
okay.
You need to practice this. Do you understand this week? Because you have your test coming up.
Yeah, okay, I'll do